This is unusual vlog of mine. So today I'm gonna make, or I'm gonna cook a special dishes from the Philippines, which is Adobong Pusit. Pusit means squid that I bought from my friend's Asian shop here in Denmark. And adobo, it's a special dish that we cook in Philippines. You can use chicken, pork, or whatever you want meat on it. So let's get started today because this is a special video. Let's go. So here is the pusit or the squid that I bought from my friend's Asian shop. I already washed it. So now I'm gonna marinate the squid, which is in here. Yeah. And then I also bought some soy sauce in the Asian shop in Bella Cantina. So I'm gonna put some 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, the silver soy sauce, and I'm gonna put and then this is vinegar, just a normal vinegar, probably 4 tablespoons of vinegar. Yeah. So we can marinate this. We will also put the pepper, like 1 teaspoon, or if you want more, so it depends on your taste. So we're gonna marinate this for 20 to 30 minutes. So guys, this is the ingredients for making a adobong pusit. Large size of a tomato, and then I chop this kind of size. And then the next I have 2 medium onion and 3 cloves of garlic. So 30 minutes of marinated is already done, and I have all my ingredients right now here, and the marinated pusit. So it's time for us to make the adobong pusit. Make sure the oil in the pan is hot enough. First, you need to stir your garlic. Then we just gonna saute this until it's a little bit of brown color. Okay, when it's a little bit brown color, our next is the onion. And then last, the tomato. Our tomato, onion is ready. Then the next step is put the marinated sauce. This one, not the squid yet. I think our sauce is ready now. We can put the pusit meat. Yeah. And remember, don't overcook the meat, guys. So it's not good when it's too much. So guys, I think the pusit meat is already cooked. Of course, there's a lot of water, and then we need to remove it because it's gonna be overcooked now. Some people like a lot of sauce, but for me, I would like my adobong pusit a little bit dry. See, and I should put back the adobong meat. Yeah, like something like that. That kind of thickness I really want for my adobo pusit. And the meat is not overcooked. At the end, I put some green chilies, but this green chilies is not spicy or anything. It's just putting some kind of sweet taste in the squid. So our squid, adobo squid is already done. And of course, we're done with the Adobong Pusit. It's time for me to taste Adobong Pusit with rice. Of course. The meat is really tender, and then the sauce, so it's combination of salty with sweet and a little bit of sour, so that should like the adobo taste. So I hope you guys like this adobong pusit, and this is a really special food vlog. Give it thumbs up and share this video to your family and friends. Goodbye, see you in the next vlog.